Okay, so to start off, I would like to introduce the components of this experiment. We have distilled water, and an iPod, which is clearly plugged in to a stereo system, and a USB charging device, which we will show you it is charging, as you can see in the corner. Now, we'll show you that it is a working iPod. Go to Music, Playlists, AB. So as you can see, it clearly does work. Now, we have filled this bowl with aforementioned distilled water. As you can see, it's quite distilled and whatnot. Now we are going to place the iPod in the water, expensive components that we're going to destroy horribly. And hey look, it's in the water. And hey look, it's still on. And hey look, we're going to hit play again. Oh hey, is that music? I believe that's music.
Now the touch controls are obviously a little off because the water's interfering, but other than that it's completely functional, and we can leave it to sit here for as long as we'd like and we'll just continue to work. Now not only does this iPod continue to operate while completely submerged in distilled water, but we were able to restore a iPod Touch that had been dunked in coffee to complete working order by soaking it in distilled water.
So, hate to tell you you're wrong, but you're wrong.
I think at this point you're just going to have to admit that we've proven you wrong, and that you really don't know what you're talking about.
I mean, we've kind of shown you via experiment, we've proven it physically.
Put it in there, leave it for a while.
I mean,
in case there's any doubt that it can continue to work in distilled water.
You're gonna say something about like photoshopping and to that effect, fake. I
see this wire goes here, blatantly into the stereo. This wire runs around blatantly into this computer, which we're not afraid about risking either.
We'll pour some more water in.
Play some more music. This iPod is actually in here because someone took it to the beach one too many times and got a little bit too much sand in the controls. So if you saw us have trouble working it, then that was why.
We were trying to rinse the grains of sand out.
And look, it seems to be very effective so far. So as you can see, and the buttons are getting a little bit better. So as you can see, soaking electronics in distilled water is an effective way to remove external and foreign contaminants.
Including, ionized drinks like tea.
Yeah. Huh. How about that? So,
if we had a bigger tub and more water, I would have thrown my laptop in it, but we lacked that, and, I didn't want to damage the hard drive, which, as we were talking about, the hard drive would be damaged not because of the fact that it's an electrical component, but because it's mechanical, and mechanical objects, when suspended in water, don't move properly. That's the argument for the hard drive not working, but, simply removing the hard drive would fix that problem entirely.
I wish I had a solid-state MacBook Air instead of the physical hard drive version, because then I could just put the entire thing in water without worrying about anything.
I think we're done here. And, yeah, you're wrong. We'll finish it up on that note.
Yeah.
Oh, also, internet lingo. Okay, thanks, bye.